Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing the May BoxyCharm unboxing. I did already go ahead and open it because I was just curious and I want to know what version of the box I got. So I got version 2, and this month's box theme is actually Make Waves. I have the thing right here on my desk. So Make Waves is a theme this month, and so the first product, we're gonna get right into it, is the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. That does retail for $28, and it is a full-size product, so this is what it looks like. And I will go ahead and insert the clip after this whole video of me washing my face because I have some makeup on, and then I am gonna do a little bit of a try on, and then I have my handy dandy mirror right here to go ahead and do that. But this is a full-size product. I already did try this 2 to 3 times already. I'm so about it. I like it. It's very smooth and it feels like my face is getting clean. But when I went through it with the little wipey and the micellar water, or micellar water? Micellar water? Am I saying that right? With the micellar water, I feel like it was still dirty because some makeup would still come off. And I used the little scrubby. So maybe I'm not using this right. Maybe I haven't been washing my face right. I don't know, but I'll insert the clip below to this. So like I said, this does retail for $28. And then the second one is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. This is also a full-size product, and it retails for $22. So it's this one, and I got the shade in medium tan, which, I mean, it's fine, but I'm a little bit lighter. Like, I'm not light skinned, but I'm also not super caramel color. So this is what it looks like. I already used this one. This morning I used this one right here. It's called Seclusion, and I have my little brush right here, my little blush brush, and basically what I did was tap into it, and then all I did was go like this to it a little bit, just because I do feel like the other one, I'm looking extra white, but with this one is too pink. So if you guys see it, I look kind of like a clown a little bit right now, but if I spread it out, it does look darker. And then this one I'm just too scared to try. I would try this one for more of an eyeshadow. And so yeah, I'm gonna stick with the Seclusion, and then these two use more for eyeshadows if I decide to go with like a bold pink color. And then the third product is the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. It is a full-size product, and it also retails for $22, and it is this one, you see right here. And then this one I haven't opened, I haven't touched. I just kind of left it in the box. So if you see, it's like a little sparkly, glowy color. It's in the shade, let me see if it says the shade on here. It says it's lightweight though, and it's fallout free. So I'm assuming because it is a cream shadow, it's a metallic eyeshadow, it shouldn't really fade. Okay, and I found the color. It says it's in the color Cupid. So let me go ahead and try this on real quick, see what this is. So see, and it looks super duper pink, but it might just be a little bit light. So here I go with my handy dandy mirror, and then I'm putting it right here. I know that I already have eyeliner on. That was from this morning, and either way I'm gonna wash all this off. So that's what I'm doing right now. So if you see, you can see it, and then I'm just gonna rub it in with my finger over here. I'm kind of looking like a clown with this. I probably should have planned this a lot earlier, but it actually looks kind of cute. I feel like it would be really cute. I don't know if you guys can see it a little bit. Here's my eye. See the difference? So it gives you like that little Snapchat filter glow on your eye. Let's try the other one. It looks like I still have some on here, so let me go ahead and put that in here. And I like the way that the brush feels on here because the brush does feel really smooth. It feels like a little concealer brush, like the little dough applicator. And actually this eye came out a lot nicer than this eye. But if I spread it out like so, it's very sparkly, and it has more of like little golden flecks rather than the pink. I thought it was going to be more pink, and as you can see, this pink cheek is still like popping. But yeah, it's not as pink as I thought it would be. It's more like of a golden sparkle. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just look disastrous, but it's okay. So let me see. So this is, like I said, the third product, retails for $22, and it is a full-size product. It's actually really cute though. I feel like maybe if I took more time with it, it would look like bomb, but this is what it looks like so far. And then, let me see, I need tissue for this. Okay, well, use the box instead. So the fourth product is the Mellow Brow Definer, and this one retails for $18, and I actually needed a new eyebrow pencil, so came in handy, BoxyCharm. So this one, you see it has a little spoolie on the end, and it does have a little cream, and I love these because last time we got an It Cosmetics one, and it was really great. It was really smooth, and then with this one, this is actually what I used this morning to do my brows. And it does depend on how hard you press, but then I like that I can just flip it, switch it, and boom. Well, not that boom, but you know what I mean. So, love this little thing. And then, so then the last product is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is also a full-size product, and it retails for $18. And it says, your new Dose of Colors Lip Matte Lipstick has a velvety high-fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in a rich, long-wearing color. And then I'm definitely gonna look like a clown with this color. This is the color Coral Crush, and let's see what happens. So let's try this on. I'm gonna move this over here so that I can see, but yeah. RIP me, man, because this thing is way too bright. Okay, so it does go on really, really smooth. Let me see on here. So I'm trying to put it on while talking to you guys. And it got me looking like a clown. Sparkly eyes, pink ass cheeks, and bright coral color lipstick. Wow. I mean, realistically, I'm looking like a hot mess right now because I just came back from Target run, but my hair's not done, and it's actually kind of cute, but it's also really, really bright. I'm not sure if you guys can see it with the light right here. Let me see. But it's not drying, so I don't know if you guys see this. It's starting to dry now, but I mean, it's not that bad. It's not my color at all. It doesn't go with my skin tone, and it makes me look like a clown a little bit. So with all of this, I'm looking fresh. But yeah, so let me go ahead and see. So those were the 5 products that we did go ahead and receive in the Making Waves BoxyCharm May box. And then the retail total, I don't know if I said this, but I got version 2 of the box. Usually they have like 3 to 6 versions, but I got version 2. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, version 2. And then let me go ahead and total this up and see how much it is, because like I said, the BoxyCharm is $21 a month, or I think they upped it now to $23.99 because that's what I saw in my last statement for my card. But I mean, still, like, just the Alamar Duo Brush, this is $22, so I already got what I needed from the box, and it's taking me forever to go ahead and add this up because there's 2 22s on here, and there's 2 18s, so I never know if I did it right. Okay, but the total of this was $108. I don't know if you guys can see that. So $108, I paid $23, and so pretty much it is 5 times more the price. Now I just wish the colors matched my face and my skin tone. And now that I keep talking to you guys, it looks like this did go ahead and dry. I have so many little flecks and sparkles from the eyeshadow, and as you can see, it is a little pink, but it's also pink because I kept going like this to my lips. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the try-on style because this is looking pretty funny. And then after this, I'll go ahead and insert the clip of me using the GlamGlow face wash. But yeah, feel free to go ahead and like it, dislike it, Share it, don't share it, or turn on the little notification bell if you guys like it. If you don't like it, that's cool. To each their own opinion. I know I don't like this look because looking like a clown over here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Okay, so I'm ready to wash this off because, like I said, these colors don't really go. But like I said, this is the GlamGlow that they sent us in the BoxyCharm. So first, what I like to do is really wipe my face. So let me go ahead and get my little face wipes. One sec. So for face wipes, I like to use this makeup removing cleansing towels from Target, the Target brand, because you got to be on a budget. And these are actually really, really nice because they're gentle on your skin, and they just, most of the time they take most of the makeup off, but I still like to wash my face with it just because I have a tendency to break out a lot, especially around my cheeks. You guys are going to see it right now when I take all this makeup off. But this lipstick is actually pretty easy to come off with it. So as you can see, I do have some acne right here, but hey, don't we all? Okay, so I'm taking all of this off, and try not to go so hard on your face. I try not to, but sometimes like I just want to get all the makeup off, so I'll go a little bit hard, which again, you shouldn't do, but who am I to tell you, because I do it anyway. So you see the different colors and faces? And then, so I'm taking all this off. So you can see all my dark circles and all my acne right here, but hey, that's life. You have good skin, you have bad skin. And I see someone who gets it, I'm like, damn it, that could be me, but I like eating junk food, so. Okay, so now that I have all my makeup off for the most part, see this little art masterpiece, and then you can see the little sparkles and everything. I don't know if some of you guys find this gross, but I always like find it satisfying when I see that all my makeup is off, because it makes me feel like I'm free. So I'm gonna wet my face now. And you can see that this is my mascara's running, but oh well. I'll just look like a raccoon for a cool second. And then I've seen all the videos where like people pour a bunch, but I just like to put like this much. And then I like to rub it in. And it smells clean. I don't know if that's a smell, but like not how like laundry smells when it's clean, but like minerals and whatnot. I don't know if that has a scent to it, but looks like it does. So I don't like doing it just with my hands. I have my little squeegee right here, and there's soap in my eye, so that's why I'm not looking at you guys. And then I go like this. Clean everything off, make sure I get all the makeup off. And like I said, the times that I've done this with mine, sometimes I'll go ahead and add this. It's the Bare Minerals exfoliating like sands, kind of. So now that I got all of this, I'm gonna just rinse off my face real quick, and then we can do a test and see how much it comes out. Not bad. Okay, so now that you guys can see my face in all its glory, I'm gonna take this little face towel that I have, and I always like to pat dry it. This one I don't like to smudge. I got these actually at Target as a wedding present, and I love them. So, okay, so now that all the makeup's off and I use that, I'm gonna get another clean wipey and see if it actually took it off. Just so that you guys can see, because last time, I don't know what it was. Maybe I didn't do it right. Okay. So, I'm looking at this. Okay, so as you can see, it took most of it off. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a little bit right here and like my mascara right here. So it did get most of it off. I'm probably gonna wash it again, but that's pretty much it.